2-Minute Tuesday, one topic, 2 minutes, let's jump in. Condo fees. What is too high? What is a good number? If I'm buying a condo, what should I be looking at? How do I know? So on average, what I always say is if you're gonna be having just pay for hydro, so heat and water is included, you want your condo fees on average to be less than $1 per square foot. So if I have a 550 square foot condo, I want my fees to be less than 550. If they're more, you have to start to look at the building, what's included, what am I getting? Some condo fees will include heat, hydro, and water. Some will include just water. Some will just include heat. And again, it's all relative to the size of your unit. Lower the better, obviously, and then you have to look at what's included. If my fee is $500 and I don't get heat, water, or hydro, you gotta think to yourself, well, I gotta spend on average another $150 to $200 a month. So that really is putting me at a $700 condo fee versus that $500 or that $550 fee that maybe you're only paying hydro on, you're actually gonna pay less money. Am I gonna use the amenities? Am I gonna use the pool? Am I gonna use the gym? Is it a nice gym? Do I pay for a gym membership somewhere else? Do I have underground parking, right? Do I have a locker? Ask yourself, am I gonna use these things realistically? Because if you're not, then you can go into a building that you're gonna find the same square footage for a lower condo fee. So on average, my rule of thumb is $1 a square foot or less. Once you start to cross over 90 cents, $1 a square foot for condo fees, you start to get into that higher level where what will eventually happen is once the condo fees start to go really high, you start to see the value of the property drop. So if you're in a 1-bedroom and it's 600 square feet and your fees are 700, 750, my first thought process, if I'm not having everything included in that, I gotta start looking to where I can go because your value is gonna start going down relative of the actual condo and the fees. So that's something to think about. Keep that in mind. When is it gonna start affecting my value? If you like that video, check out our playlist with all of our 2-minute drills here and hit comments below if you wanna hear a certain topic.